In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to turn on PlayStation 4 controller without PlayStation button. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about which options you have regarding your PlayStation 4 or DualShock controller if the PlayStation button is not working. So this button is essential. Not only is it used to power on your console by pressing it from the controller if it is powered off, but it also helps you get outside of a game, manage other options, and a lot more actions that can be done. The only way for you to use this PlayStation controller without manually pressing this button is through a cable. So you plug one end of the cable into the PlayStation 4 and another end of the USB cable into the controller. So usually it is going to be USB-A on the PlayStation 4 on any of the available ports, and then the USB or micro USB end into the DualShock controller. Besides this, there is no other way to get it to work. Like I said, the PlayStation button is essential. Even to put it into Bluetooth pairing mode, you need to press the PlayStation button and the share button simultaneously. So, if the cable method does not work or you don't want to use a wired connection, the sad reality is that you will have to take it to a repair shop or talk to the Sony support to get your controller replaced. Actually fixing this involves taking apart the controller and changing the PCB inside. So if you aren't comfortable doing this yourself, like I said, contact the customer support and get it replaced. This is mainly a problem with the internals, and there are no software solutions to get this done. If you have another controller, use that instead, and what I would recommend is to try out the USB wired connection method, and if this does not satisfy you or it does not work, then you will have to take it to a repair shop. The PlayStation button is essential, and if it isn't working because of hardware problems, there are no known alternatives to this. It is a common problem, and you will have to get it replaced. I hope I was able to help you on how to turn on PlayStation 4 controller without PlayStation button. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.